Alright guys, thanks for joining in on this one. It's the 11-12 certified. Last team that ended tonight was the Winnipeg Jets, October 25th at 7:29. Box number 93885945. And the time, Friday, October 25th at 11:05. So, same stuff tomorrow guys. 6 boxes tomorrow night. Nine three eight eight 5945. Seal box. Empty. Start off with Immortals for Detroit Red Wings, Johnny Busick. It's number 343 of 500. Johnny Busick for the Red Wings. We have Mass Marvels dual jersey for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. It's numbered 45 of 99, Lundqvist. We have the mirror blue jersey, Brandon Sutter. 34 of 99, Brandon Sutter. For Carolina, Carolina Hurricanes. And we have mirror blue auto for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty. Nice card there. 98 of 99, the Kings, Drew Doughty. Nice hit for the Kings. Mass Marvels for Detroit Red Wings, Jimmy Howard. Freshman signatures for the Montreal Canadiens, Brendan Nash. Mirror red parallel for the Ottawa Senators, Daniel Alfredson. Base. Should have showed better. It's a little bit better. There's no parallels or nothing there though. Base. Oh, look at that. There's a parallel. We have the New Jersey Devils, Mirror Black, 101, Ilya Kovalchuk, 101. That's the first 101 I've seen out of this stuff. Well, I mean, I've seen box breaks videos, other guys get them, but I've seen quite a bit of this stuff opened in the store. I opened quite a bit of it myself in the last year, but yeah, it's the first one I've seen. Thanks, 101. And another nice one. That was a nice box. Jaromir Jagr for the Philadelphia Flyers. Stick'ems stick card. That's numbered 1 of 50 for the Flyers. So yeah, thanks guys. That was a pretty good break, I think. So same stuff tomorrow, and yeah, have a good night.